Jamaican men have this weird talent where they're able to say the most sexually outrageous thing to you and make it sound like the most beautiful poem ever written by a man. And I literally saw it happen the other day. This man walked up to this woman and said, "Me want dive in your vagina and swim around like Poseidon." Sometimes it can be so supportive as well. Jamaican men have their own way of supporting women. I used to be really insecure about my fupa. Everyone know what a fupa is? For those of you who don't know, it basically stands for like fat upper pussy area. It's here. It's here, yeah? And I used to go out of my way to try and hide it. Winston turned to me and said, "Good pum-pum deserves shelter." I said... Started walking into parties belly first like the Grinch. I said, yes.
The women in Jamaica are aggressive. Not like the girls from Brixton. These ones are for real, bro. Man, them, you ever shook in a woman's hand and you feel like the female? I was like, "Hi." She's like, me and my brethren, we was in Donovan's van. This woman bust into the van. "Yo, where you from?" My voice got high. I was like, "Hackney." I don't sound like that. She goes, "Yo, Hackney boy, you want some of this pum pum?" Ladies and gentlemen, I was so scared. I was like, "No, I've got a man, thank you." She was still on it. I had to keep walking like this.
Oh, we can have a Jamaican president? Nah, that might not work. It's not that I don't think Jamaicans are capable. I think you're very smart, very hard-working people. I just think you're very angry. And if we had a Jamaican president, we would have a new war every week. Every week, he'd be standing in front of the White House, just mad, just, "What Rosa said? Rosa said something?" Say it again, Rosa. Say it one more time. No, say it one more time. I'll match up your country. Say it again. Say it again. You don't see the button. You don't see the button. You don't. You don't want me push that button.
Greetings everyone and welcome back to the channel. Now let me ask you something. What exactly makes Jamaicans so different? Is it the accent? Is it the confidence? Is it the comedy? Or is it something in the Jamaican water? Because honestly, sometimes you can meet a Jamaican for 5 minutes and leave wondering, wait, did they just make a new friend or did they just get roasted? Continue watching this video until the end, then I'll come back with more comments. Stay tuned until the end, then I'll come back.
Jamaica had like a superior army in the world. I think we'd have been probably the most unorganized army. We never hear like that warning signs for different countries. You know, like work, work, work. You know, to show us a danger. Jamaica one with a different. Jamaica you'd hear, "Whoa! Whoa! Our dress code would have been terrible. Everybody wear boots. We wear clocks. I said, you cannot go to war like that. Don't tell me that. Where I talk about? Where I talk about? Be clean. Instead of helmet, the man will wear kerchief. We now last one day. Now first of all, if war starts 7 o'clock, we're late. You know.
Why you think they ain't fuck with Air Jamaica? It's a lot of fuel on that plane, but they know. They get on Air Jamaica, they be like, "Hey, oh, shit. Call Osama, this is not the right flight." No, they have dreads. This is not going to work. You can't get on Air Jamaica talking about, "Hello, we are taking the plane." All you hear is, sit down. Talk about hijack your mother. They hit it with the pussy, you know me. Cause that's a word in Jamaica. Can't hijack no plane full of angry Jamaicans. If it's Jamaicans, I'm sorry, y'all the angriest group of black people on the fucking planet. They will lick shot for every fucking thing. They the blue, 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 blue. Just simple shit. What you mean? What I want to drink? You want me shut up this whole bomber clad club, post to wall? You know me? I love them, but they angry. I don't understand it, man. And you from Jamaica? How the fuck are you so mad? I've been to Jamaica. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. It's great weather. You go to the beach, the water's blue. You know what I'm saying? You ever go to the beach in New York? We should be mad. You go to the beach in New York? Nigga, you would come out with a drug addiction. Nigga go swimming and come out like, oh shit. Oh shit.
And what we as Jamaican don't like, we don't like when somebody as Jamaican talk to we like them a Yankee. Yeah. Yeah, Jamaicans don't like that shit. Yeah, Jamaicans don't like that shit at all. And right now, my dad cringing. Yeah, the moment you start talking like this, it's like, why am I talk like that? No, I'm frightened. I got Jamaican saying, I'm frightened.
Good morning, class. Now, Mr. Up here is off sick, so you're going to have a new teacher today. Her name is Miss Kingston, and I want you all to be on your best behavior.
Yes, Mrs. Johnson.
Okay, shut your mouth, shut your mouth, shut your stinking beaks. My name is Miss Kingston. Can anybody spell Kingston? You.
K-A...
Wrong. Did your father teach how to spell? Or did he just teach how to fuck up woman's life? Sorry about my language. The correct spelling for Kingston is K as in mess with me, I will kill you. As in I don't need no good for nothing shit of a tarate, wife dumping, run off with a slut, ugly man. Put your bomb clan hand down. Today, you're going to teach about life. Yes, you beautiful future Prime Minister.
My mummy said that we should love life.
And I say, life is like a birthday. Then a man comes along and just shits in your kidney. Sorry about my language. Don't tell your parents I swear. But if you do, I will fuck you up.
May I have a plaster?
In Jamaica, we only use plasters for three things. 1, as sellotape. 2, as a silencer. And 3, as contraception.
Yes.
Shut your mouth before me thump you on your blood. It's now time for you to learn your nursery rhyme. All together now. Baba, black man, you cut them all off. Shut your mouth, shut your breath, shut your stinking beaks. Because you're short, that means you're close to the ground, which means you're close to my foot. So unless you want to feel my foot, come on me blood clot, Ross, Ross. And me say, come on.
Jamaicans are hard people to grow up around. You know why? Because when I was growing up around Jamaicans, you hang around Jamaican people long enough, you feel the need to want to be Jamaican. They just look so cool. Everything about them is cool. When I was a kid, I was like, I wanted to be Jamaican so bad. I started dressing like a Jamaican. I started wearing a little red, yellow, and green belt. And I started talking like a Jamaican. I started listening to reggae music. I started having kids I didn't know about. I did everything that I possibly could. But you know what the shitty thing is? A Jamaican will never act like you. You're never going to see a Jamaican guy that grew up in a bunch of Indian guys walking around going, hey, baby, whopping, whopping. Not going to happen, you know? Felt bad for my dad because he tried fitting in with my Jamaican friends when I was growing up. You don't ever want a man from India trying to speak like a Jamaican at any point during his life. My friends would be in the living room, my dad walking, okay, come on, Marlon, move your bumbo clot and go home. My dad thought punani was a tropical fruit. It is if you think about it. For the older white folks that look confused right now, punani is the Jamaican word for a woman's. You know what I'm saying? For her pum pum. My dad thought it was a tropical fruit. One time when I was a kid, I was sick and I was messing around with my dad. He came here and he goes, "Oh my God, son, you're sick. What can I get you?" I go, "Dad, I love punani." My dad went to the Jamaican store. "Hey lady, where's your punani?" "My son is at home sick. He needs punani right now. Give me 2. Is it right? Let me squeeze it." No seeds.
Anytime you put it on, I no Gucci, I no Louis Vuitton. This is what make your body full of corn. I make your favorite one a Roger Clark farm. And that's a one anytime you put it on. I no Clarks, I no Louis Vuitton. This is what make your witch you never born. And it's in your dung a mark figure bomb. Hey boy, it's short.
At least Jamaicans have real bad man. Like, I'm not promote violence, but if you're gonna do something, you do it correctly. No, like, Jamaican bad man, a real bad man. Like, if they're gonna rob somebody, them do it straight. Go up to them and say, "Yo, puss your word." Empty everything out of your pocket. No. Not Africans. Them not the real bad man. If them want to rob you, them just send you an email.
But the bravest thing I ever see is war reporters. War reporters. The reporter doesn't have a gun. He's got a mic and a cameraman. And I will say, I notice we don't have a lot of black war reporters. Now, I'm British and proud of, but my family are originally from Jamaica. I don't think you could force a Jamaican reporter to report live from a war zone. It would sound a little bit like this. We start off in the studios. And over to our Jamaican war correspondent in Iraq, Delroy Wilson. Delroy, how's things out there? Delroy would be, "I don't know, Trevor. I'm in my house right now. Yes, man, me and the cameraman. We have a Budweiser and watching CNN News. Look freaking bad out there. So we decide we're not going. This is Delroy Wilson reporting live from my front room."
And you gotta love Jamaicans, man, because you sit home, you hear in the cold in Canada, and you hear that commercial come on, that commercial, "Come to Jamaica and be." As soon as you get to Jamaica, them people on the resort be like, "I suggest you don't leave the compound." Like, why the I can't see the rest of the island? No, I think you should stay here. You have hot dog, hamburger, you're good right here. I don't want a fucking hot dog, more judge.
Melissa! Alright. Before you come on land, me have a list of people who I want you take. Take all the gunman, them bad mind, thief and rapists. Take all of the girls that wanna give a free fuck. Take all the man them wanna mind them youth. Take JPS, them too expensive. Take Andrew Holness. But I tell you to take EU boss, but him gone to England and smell the rat. Take Money Idol boss, I be a foolish him sing. Take Annie and the Ants family, we're tired of them, and take with Annie old car. Take Jalen because every girl him wanna eat. Take Shibada the old fridge where him sit down pan. But I tell you to take Rosalie, but she too heavy for you. I want to know. Your bad mind, leave the girl BMW alone. Take Monster Boss because he don't own a toilet. You go America though. Yeah. Take Auntie and a passport and she steal the transmission them over there. Take Binds for your wine pan him egg top. Take Take Zuma for your back in fist when the mother I get fucked. Leave Jakes alone and him new house. Him have ambition. Take Jabas because he mash up the one view. Take Mackerel because she an informer. Take Cuz for call him baby mother auntie. Take Dirty Zozo and leave Brit alone. Alright, I eat that. You is one person. Who that?
Charles. Eh? Are the sun or the moon that?
I don't know, I don't live in this area.
By the way, you was late this morning.
I know, but I couldn't help it. I had was to go down to the police station.
For what?
My brother is with the police.
I didn't know say your brother in the police force.
No, man, you're mad. He have ambition. He is not a police, but the police hold him.
So what them hold him for?
Because them see me walk with his finger like this, because he have stiff finger, and them hold him say he's a pickpocket.
Ah, so your brother is a pocket picket?
No, man. He is not a pocket picket. I mean, picket pocket. No, he's nothing like that, man. That's why I go and bail him.
You're still late?
Yes, but on my way back I get a puncture tire.
Then how you manage to puncture your tire?
Me run over one bottle.
So, voila. You never see the bottle?
No. The drunk man have it in his pocket.
You're still late?
Yes, but at the same time now the truck driver run over my brother.
So, the driver never see your brother?
Yes, but he never knows you're my brother. He not even know me.
So your brother dead?
No, but the doctor said if he not dead, he will live. You're going to call me fool again?
Yes, a big man like you so stupid.
Tell me, you know how old I am?
Of course.
How old am I?
Hold on. 32.
How you know?
Because I have a little brother who is 16 and him is a half idiot.
Had a Jamaican man DM me the other day, and he said, and I quote, "I want you to sit down pon me cocky so I can look into your hazel eyes and see heaven." I know, I was in shock, man. I didn't know how I was supposed to respond, but I just remember reading this and being like, this is romance. You know, this is the most beautiful thing any man has ever said to me. I know a marriage proposal when I see one. The answer.
So I stand up there wait upon a taxi. A madman see me and start run towards me with a knife. So I run.
Okay.
When me run, him take out a slingshot, take up a stone off of the ground and shot me in my back.
Oh, so you get a back shot. Okay. Then what happened after that?
No, squad it. Alright, hear me again.
Me I hear you, man. Me I hear you. My ears are work.
The man a run me down with the knife.
Yeah.
Him pull out a slingshot.
Yeah.
Take up a stone off of the ground.
Yeah.
Put in the slingshot.
Yeah.
And shot me in my back while I'm running.
So now that me I write down, man, say you get a back shot. I that me right, you know.
Yo, Squaddy, you make the thing look away, Squaddy.
Oh, me I make the thing look away.
Yeah, dog, you make the thing look freaky.
Oh, me I make the thing look freaky. How will you tell me I write down, you know?
I tell you, say, it's a slingshot.
Alright, so me ask you a question. How where the man do?
Man shot me.
And how where him shot you?
In my back.
So when you put that together, where you get?
Shot back. What? You get When you get shot back. When you put it together, you get shot back. No, brother. No. I know so it go. If you go in front of the judge will tell you say a back shot you get. Charge you, that me I try show you no officer, you make it look like a bed man bend over. Hey, yo, you take it to a place where me nah go there with you, you know. So here one, me I go call it in and make them tell you what to do. And that me I do, because me nah go there with you. Wherever you go, me nah go there. Me just call it in. No, me nobody want your help, officer. Me did it myself. Officer run reporting. So me nobody want your help. Me a report a sexual assault in the RF3 area, you know. A man come to me and tell me say a man run him down and give him a back shot.
Blood clot. Yeah.
Alright, copy that. Yo, me I forgot to take care of the nearest hospital, you know. Make them check your vitals if you have no STD. You
ever call a Jamaican house at night? Them niggas answer the phone, they go, hello, good night. You be just standing there like, I know this bitch ain't just hang up on me. My man Jamaican, I know they talk backwards. Man, this nigga went to the store to buy new shoes. I'm showing him the shoes. I said, Trevor, look, these shoes is brand new. He gonna look at his shoes and go, yeah, this is a new brand. You ever go to the Jamaican store? Is it me? Or it ain't never a nigga at the counter when you get there. You gotta hold this shit up you trying to buy and call him from the back. You be like, yo! Huh? How much? Huh? Hold on. How much is this? You be in a Jamaican store so long, you be like, you know what? I should walk the fuck out with this shit. As soon as you get that thought in your head, this nigga come from the back of the store, you know, this nigga right here. Bombaclad. What happened? You be like, what happened, nigga? I want to know how much is the 40? Got 40 right there? Yeah, this one. How much is it, nigga? The big one? Yeah, the big one, nigga. How much is it? Stop playing. All right. Hold on a minute, man. I'm going to find out for you. Hey, that's my time, man. I say, what up?
Which part of your body is your brain located?
Well, when the body build up and thing, you know, nothing else more than build back and go on with our vibes and them things and shit and with our firm meditation, you see me?
But which part of your body are your brain there? Take your finger and point for me. Which part of your body is your brain?
All about for me, you see me? All over.
How many years is a 24-month-old baby?
No year at all. No year.
Oh.
24 a month. Month different from you, so I don't know year. A month them there. So I mean no year.
Okay. But how many years old will the 24-month-old baby be?
Why you look with that one there? I can't manage that one there. I can't hear. What year can a month?
Okay.
24 month. Oh, no year at all.
No year.
Do you say you want my boss a one piece?
What's a one piece for me, mama?
Say, oh, them come and tell me them a big money, man. And them now help the little youth man in the slum. Cast your bread up on the water, you will find it back again. Big up herbs, man. Live up herb cellar. Come in at the police, come from underneath the cellar. Herb man in the police, puppy dog on the house. Come in at the mansion, no live like no mouse. If we are in a Zion, then hell in a Satan. No, so make him mouse. Say, oh, them come and tell me them a big money, man. Say, oh, them come and tell me them a big money, man. Yeah. And them now.
As my pass. Where so much fly I go, I say you know say fly fall a fish. I just want class in because all hot girl go on. Me don't know say hot girl am in culture.
Okay, up to my culture.
So me come here up and phone to the pan. Buy me two this, buy me two that, buy me two. Me just say other two something for me too. Me hear about Yamid, me never hear about ground provision yet.
Like, you know what I said? At 3 years now the landlord look here.
What you saying?
3 years now, the landlord I look for her and can't see her now. All know him can't find her.
Nothing can tell me so that girl not on pedestrian crossing from the landlord bed. He might lay down and she and step over she at night time. Nothing can tell me that. One thing with a girl, their body good if me cut a heel back material. It can't rub down. No man, you lick me out of spite now, Cassie. You lick me out of spite. Don't do that, man.
But are we going to push about?
Some of them must go on. I'm 80 years. That's the only thing Michael Jackson could have did left here. No, man, you better take something from Whitney. God believe me, man. You're not too provoking. Girl, stop it. Don't do them virgin laugh there because the whole of we know say you're not virgin.
You don't know nothing about me, Shabada. Who send you? Who send you come from me, Shabada?
Girl, everybody them look on and build a new highways. All Chinese are
come body strong.
Look on the ocean and go and like see them an eagle eye. Nothing about you,
Shabada, nothing about you. Who send call you?
Did you say send call me? Me's a memory chip and more and lodge right there so that him can come back.
Fish. Tongue.
I think those are the only black people that don't like black people. They come to this country and treat us like we immigrants. They come out, yeah. Yankee boy, he lazy. He don't want work. I got 3 jobs, you can't get 1 job. If you let one go, maybe I can start my life, Winston. I'm regular. When I first met one, we didn't even get along. Because he stuttered, he gonna get mad at me because I don't know what the hell he talking about. He gonna come up to me like, you know what, I thought this was a singer. I started doing this shit right here. I'm like, when the album coming out? I want to support you. Then he threatened me. He threatened me.
When I was 6, right? My neighbor was half my age. And now me at 12. How old is my neighbor?
How old is the neighbor? When you are 6?
Yeah.
I know you are 12. So how old is the neighbor? Yeah. But me never know the neighbor age at the moment, so I never know the neighbor at the moment, at the time, in the position. So how couldn't me know the neighbor age at the time? I never know them at all, so I couldn't never say nothing.
Any Jamaicans here? I love y'all niggas, even though y'all talk backwards. You ever call a Jamaican house at night? Them niggas answer the phone, they go, hello, good night. You be just standing there like, I know this bitch ain't just hang up on me. My man Jamaican, I know they talk backwards. Me and this nigga went to the store to buy new shoes. I'm showing him the shoes. I said, Trevor, look, these shoes is brand new. He gonna look at his shoes and go, yeah, this is a new brand. You ever go to the Jamaican store? Is it me? Or it ain't never a nigga at the counter when you get there? You gotta hold the shit up you trying to buy and call him from the back. You be like, yo! Huh? How much? Huh? Hold on. How much is this? You be in a Jamaican store so long, you be like, you know what? I should walk the fuck out with this shit. As soon as you get that thought in your head, this nigga come from the back of the store, you know, this nigga right here. Bomba clad. What happened? You be like, what happened, nigga? I want to know how much is the 40? That 40 right there? Yeah, this one. How much is it, nigga? The big one? Yeah, the big one, nigga. How much is it? Stop playing. All right. Hold on a minute, man. I'm gonna go find out for you. Hey, that's my time, man. If I say, what up?
This is the first question. If EAR spells air, then what does YEAR spell?
YEAR spell? Yes. Ask people for help for the Christmas coming for this year, 2017.
Good. This is the second question here, nothing too difficult. How many 10-cent pieces are there in $1?
How many 10-cent pieces in $1? It have 100.
This is the third question here, nothing too difficult. Christmas celebrates the birth of
Jesus Christ.
And this is the fourth question here, nothing too difficult, right? Where is your uterus located? Take your hand and point for me. Where is your uterus located?
My uterus is right in Trinidad and Tobago. And my uterus is right here in Trinidad and Tobago, because Trinidad and Tobago is a loving place, and it's no better place, better than Trinidad and Tobago right now.
This is the next question here, nothing too difficult, right? Yeah. Can you spell the word Trinidadian for me?
Trinidadian. Trinidadian. Trinidadian.
Right, and this is the next question here. Nothing too difficult, right? What is the past tense of the word shoot?
The past tense word shoot means that if you shoot, it's because you're going to get yourself in trouble, because it didn't have no right for you to be shooting at nobody, because you give nobody life. So you have no right to be shooting at nobody.
What do you think about what the Minister of National Security is doing about the crime situation within Trinidad and Tobago right now?
Well, right now, the National Security is trying to do his utter best to the crime in Trinidad and Tobago, right? But it's we citizens of Trinidad and Tobago have to help the Prime Minister as National Security. And once we help him, we're going to get where the crime is all about.
Who is the Minister of National Security?
Jesus Christ. And I used to walk there, you know.
Jesus Christ for real, boy.
Jesus Christ is the right one, you know, because I can't remember the national security, but Jesus Christ is the right one right now.
What animal does pork come from?
Pig.
And this is the next question here. What is the plural of the word tooth?
The word tooth? The word tooth is your tooth is an important thing in your mouth. You have to take care of your tooth, brush your teeth after you eat, so your tooth going to last you forever.
Right, so what is the plural of the word tooth?
What the plural of the word tooth? The plural of the word tooth is you have to brush your teeth more often. That is it. You ain't going to cafe tea.
Where you from?
Carnage.
Carnage. And where the taxi stand located?
Taxi stand located up South Key Broadway.
Alright.
Hello guys, I hope you have just watched that full video, and that is where this conversation gets interesting. Jamaican humor is something special. A Jamaican can look you straight in the face, say something that sounds completely disrespectful, and somehow everybody around start laughing. You might even be offended for 2 seconds, then suddenly you are laughing too. That is Jamaican comedy. You came for an argument and somehow ended up buying ticket to the comedy show. But why is Jamaican humor so sharp? Why do Jamaicans have this natural ability to turn ordinary situation into comedy? Maybe it's the delivery, maybe it's the confidence, or maybe Jamaicans simply refuse to let a serious moment remain serious for too long. And Jamaican men, oh, that is another conversation entirely. The way some Jamaicans men talk, joke flat, argues, and carry themselves can turn an ordinary interaction into a full performance. 1 minute everything is calm, and the next minute somebody has delivered a one-liner so powerful that everybody is asking, bro, where did you even get that from? But here is the bigger question. Is Jamaican culture only famous because Jamaicans are funny? Absolutely not. Think about it. How can an island this small have such a massive cultural footprint around the world? Reggae music traveled across continents. Jamaican athletes become household names. Jamaican's food has fans everywhere, and Jamaican's patois. You don't even have to understand every word to recognize the energy when you are hearing it. That is what makes Jamaica fascinating. The country may be small geographically, but cultural. Jamaica walks into the room like it owns the building. And then there is patois. Have you ever listened to two Jamaicans having a conversation and thought, I understand English, so why am I understanding nothing? Because patois isn't just about changing words, it's about rhythm, expression, timing, and personality. Sometimes the same sentence can sound completely different depending on how a Jamaican say it. A simple statement can become a punchline without anybody even trying. And here is something even more interesting. People around the world recognize Jamaican expression, Jamaican accent, Jamaican music, and Jamaican style. International celebrities and comedians constantly reference Jamaica. Why? Because Jamaica culture has become recognizable for far beyond the island. So ask yourself, how did Jamaica become such a powerful cultural brand? Is it reggae? Is it the dancehall? Is it athletic? Is it food? Is it patois? Is it the hammer? Maybe the answer is all of the above. And let's talk about confidence for a second. Jamaica have a reputation for carrying themselves with a certain boldness. There is almost this attitude of, yes, we are. Yes, we are from a small island, and what is your point? That confidence has helped Jamaican culture travel. Jamaican music doesn't need an invitation. Jamaican athletes don't wait for permission to compete. Jamaican food doesn't apologize for its flavor. And Jamaican comedy certainly doesn't ask whether you are ready before delivering the punchline. But perhaps the most powerful thing about Jamaica culture is its resilience. Jamaica has faced challenges, yet its people continue to create, love, compete, sing, dance, and influence the world. Think about the irony. An island that could easily be overlooked on a map has produced cultural influences that are impossible to overlook in the world. Small island, big personality, and maybe that is the real secret. So, are Jamaicans really built different? Well, after looking at the language, the music, the sport, the food, the confidence, and the global influence, I think the evidence is speaking for itself. Because when a Jamaican walks into the room, you never quite know what you are going to get. You might get a comedian, an athlete, a musician, a chef, or somebody who can insult you so creatively that you actually say, respect, boss. And that is Jamaica funny. Confident, creative, resilient, and apologetically Jamaican. So, let me leave you with this question. What is the one thing about Jamaican culture that you think the rest of the world simply cannot copy? The hammer, the patois, the music, the confidence, or maybe the whole package? Because one thing is certain. Jamaica may be a small island, but Jamaica culture is playing on a very big stage. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Stay safe, stay curious, ask questions, and please let me see you in the comment section. Thank you.